உன் கண்கள் போகிற இடத்திலெல்லாம் அழகுன்னு சொல்றது, நீ விரும்புற ஒரு தவறான நபரை நீ தேர்ந்தெடுத்தா உன் வாழ்க்கையில நரகங்கிறது நீ போய் பார்க்க வேண்டியதல்ல. எதை அழகுன்னு நினைச்சு போய் விரும்பி அடைஞ்சியோ அதுல வேதனை பயங்கரமா தொடங்க ஆரம்பிச்சு.
Now, first thing, the person to whom you should open your heart. There is a person, if it is God's will, who is appointed by God, who is meant to be your life partner. And you have to open your heart only to that person. Now, if you are going to go after good looks and fall in love with a wrong person and you open your heart, then I tell you, in course of time, hell is not going to be something you go and experience after you die. Hell you will experience on earth itself.
నీవు నీ హృదయమును తెరవవలసినటువంటి సమయమును గురించి, వ్యక్తిని గురించి చెప్పుచున్నాను. దేవుడు నీ కొరకై నియమించినటువంటి భాగస్వామి యొద్ద మాత్రమే నీ హృదయమును తెరవవలనే